channel, Little Doll Diva. Today we are going to be unboxing Shadow High Rainbow Vision Doll. Her name is Harley Limestone. This doll is all green. She is wearing green. Her hair is green. Her face is a shade of green. And her clothes have lots of green on it. Let's take a closer look at what she comes with. I really like the speaker with a microphone that looks like it plugs into the speaker. On the back of the box, it shows all the other dolls. It looks like the group is called Neon Shadow. Now let's unbox her. Now that we have unboxed Harley Limestone, we can take a good look at her outfit. She wears a really cool sweatshirt with silver studs on the sleeves. It looks like there is a belt wrapped around her top that says Shadow. She also has a hoodie and really cool biking shorts with knee-high socks. Her boots have real laces, which is really cool. She has silver metallic earrings that look like safety pins. Harley wears her hair in twists, and it looks like black string is tied in her hair. She wears silver metallic cat ears as a headband. Her eyes are inset with real rooted eyelashes, and she has really cool green lipstick. Her skin is green, and her fingernails are also painted green. They are a little pointy too, which is really, really cool. She comes with music accessories. There is a speaker that says Shadow on top. And it has silver studs going all around it. It has a green handle on top that says Shadow. She also comes with a microphone and the cord. The microphone stand has spikes at the bottom. You can plug it into the speaker. Now that's really cool. There is a little brace right here, so the doll can hold the microphone in her hand. She also comes with a green comb that has SH for Shadow High on it. You can comb her hair if it's a little messy when playing. Now we have changed her into her second outfit. She wears a faux fur coat and it says Shadow all over it. It also says Sparkle. She wears jeans with cartoon cats all over it. She has boots with studs and green laces. Her shirt is a green sequin crop top with ribbon to hold it on her shoulders. She is wearing the same earrings as before, and that's her second outfit. Here is everything that she came with. jacket, socks, and biker shorts. Here are the boots she was wearing before. She came with 2 hangers, one regular hanger that says Shadow, and the other says SH with a clip to hang the pants on. Thank you for watching me unbox my new Shadow High doll, Harley Limestone. Now it's time to play Happy